Hello and welcome Writing 600 students. Today I want to take you through logging on to the D2L site, finding our course, and then basically introduce the different sections of the D2L site and how we will use those in the class. So the first thing you want to do is just log on to BCIT D2L, and it will be the first one that comes up. And you just enter your usual information, your A00 number, and your password. This will take you to your own D2L homepage, and you should see your courses listed here that you're taking this term. Make sure that you have the correct term selected. So this term is Winter 2017. And the course you're looking for is Writing 6 201710. That will take you to the news page, which is basically a blog, and I will be posting on this page two important things. One is your homework, and the next is what we will be doing the next day, tomorrow. Okay. Now, when you are using the homework, take a look if there is a reference to a week. So, argumentative essay package, this is in week 5. The weeks refer to what is in content. So if you click on content, you will see that the course is organized by week, and this will be where most of the content for the course is. When you come to a week, you will also notice at the top here that these are the learning goals that we want to accomplish for this week. So you should read those carefully, make sure you understand them, and refer back to them and ask yourself, did you accomplish those goals? You'll also notice that there are various documents in here. So going back to the content, going back to course home, you'll notice that homework number 2, argumentative essay package, this is in week 5. So we go to content, and we are in week 5 here, and argumentative essay package. So you would open that and do the homework from that package. Okay, the other important thing that is in the content is something called a Dropbox, and this is where you submit your assignments for the course. So all your assignments will be submitted electronically, and it also has a due date reminder here. Going back to the home page, the other helpful thing for you on this page would be the calendar. So you have major events such as due dates for assignments and quiz dates. These are listed here. If you want to see it as a monthly view, click the calendar and you can see it as a monthly display. If you click on one of these, if there is extra important information, it will tell you. So in this case, the due date for this assignment was extended. Yeehaw. Okay, now going back to this page, one other item I want to point out are some of these, the things in this list here under helpful information. So these are important things for you to refer to. Number 1 is an APA website to get tips on doing APA, library contact information, online writing tutoring, program advisors, and finally a writing center, which is unfortunately not available this term, but hopefully will be soon. Okay, and that is an introduction to D2L. I hope that you will check it every day and that it will be useful for you in the course. Please do give me your feedback if you have suggestions on how to make D2L more useful for our class.